I'm getting tired of your bullshit. I'm tired of your voice. I'm getting tired of the way you leave me hanging with no choice. If you would ask me long ago, back when you seduced me, yeah, I felt like a domino, but I knew you were liability. He said, baby, I've been dying to see you. Almost thought we were through. I've been busy hanging with my boys, but you look stunning. I forgot how fine you are, but I didn't forget to give you a call. I was just busy with, oh, shut up, shut up, such a dumb. It's almost funny. Got the lips of an angel, got the eyes of a beast, got the hands of a helper, got me weak to my knees. If you would ask me long ago, already knew you were poison. Yet I felt like a domino when you showed up here. He said, baby, I've been dying to see you. Almost thought we were through. I've been busy hanging with my boys, but you look stunning. I forgot how fine you are, but I didn't forget to give you a call. I was just busy with, oh, shut up, shut up, shut up. Such a dumb. It's almost funny. The way he believes in his own lies, or the way he believes that my doubts won't rise. Oh, shut up, shut up. Such a dumb. It's almost funny. Although I cry myself to sleep, although I think you're all I need, I have to get a grip of this. I have to let this feeling slip. Oh, shut up, shut up. Such a dumb dummy. It's almost funny. Oh, shut up, shut up. Such a dumb dummy. It's almost funny. Although I cry myself to sleep, although I know you're bad for me, I have to lay my hands on this bag you have.
Du bad mig över en telefon. Jag borde sett det komma långt ifrån. Och kom igen, bara säg det då. Jag har väntat och mitt hjärta slår. När han rullar upp i mitt hus och jag steppar ut, det kommer bli vitt till slut. Rullar upp i mitt hus och jag steppar ut, det kommer bli vitt till slut. När han rullar upp i mitt hus och jag steppar ut, det kommer bli vitt till slut. Rullar upp i mitt hus och jag steppar ut, det kommer bli vitt. Jag vill ha din doft i hela rummet, min enda önskan nu. Min enda kan vi leva i denna stund. Jag vill stanna. Du hörde på rösten att du hade någonting att säga mig om. Du bara visat från start, varför behövde du så lång tid?